This tiny cabin home is designed not only with style and function in mind, but also with a focus on climate-conscious comfort. Its exterior siding is carefully selected for durability and thermal protection, helping to maintain a stable interior temperature throughout changing weather conditions. Whether in warmer or cooler climates, the siding acts as a shield, allowing the indoor space to remain livable and cozy all year round. The interior follows the Japanese tiny cabin home concept, characterized by a compact, minimalist, and efficient layout. Every centimeter is optimized with a purpose. The cabinet arrangement is clean and precise, hiking the walls and elevating storage off the ground to free up the central space. A unique feature of this layout is a hanging cabinet that functions dually as a partition, subtly dividing the communal living area from the semi-private space behind it. This thoughtful design ensures privacy without sacrificing light flow or spatial openness. Inside, the cabin feels peaceful yet productive, striking a balance between tranquility and utility. The open central area, free of clutter, allows residents to use the space flexibility for dining, relaxation, or remote work. Natural light filters in through well-placed windows, enhancing the calm atmosphere and supporting daily rhythm. Thanks to the Japanese spatial philosophy, the small home offers more than just shelter. It provides harmonious environment where daily life can unfold smoothly, even within a modest footprint. The result is a comfortable and adaptable living space, ideal for those who seek simplicity, efficiency, and comfort in a compact form.